Beat the heat before it beats you. The best time to maintain your AC? When it's not working overtime. Peaden Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Electrical has served Gulf Coast communities since 1969. So we know that off-season tune-ups catch problems early, before summer's first 90-degree day or a sudden fall cold snap. That means fewer surprise breakdowns and steadier comfort when humidity climbs. A clean, well-tuned system uses less energy. During off-season maintenance, we clear drain lines, wash coils, change filters, and verify airflow so your system isn't fighting Gulf Coast dust and moisture all season. Many manufacturer warranties expect routine professional maintenance. Off-season is the smartest time to document it. No rush, no downtime. Our licensed techs show up ready. Shoe covers, drop cloths, and a full checklist. They're trained on the Peaden way. Service is our passion, safety is our priority, satisfaction is our promise. We explain what we find in plain English, answer every question, and leave your home as clean as we found it. If you live in Panama City, Pensacola, Fort Walton Beach, Tallahassee, or nearby Alabama communities, we're here to help. Ask about SmartCare, our maintenance program that keeps you on schedule year-round. Schedule your off-season tune-up with the Peaden Pros and join SmartCare today.
Peaden, the pros you can trust.